Today is a special class because I'm not going to use any photo reference. I will just create the paintings based on my fantasy, based just on what I love to paint, and I love to paint waves and the sea and lots of contrast. You can see that dark night behind the wave. And the special thing is that for all the textures of the stones, I'm going to use a palette knife. So I want to share how to use it, and moreover, I would like to explain what is the right moment to use it. Because usually I see how my students struggle about that moment. They either do it too early or they do it too late. So it's important to find the moment when the paper is still wet, the paint is on the paper, but you see that it is not shiny anymore. When the paper together with the paint is shiny, it's too early to start scratching with the knife. If it's absolutely matte and it is dry, it is too late. So you need to find the moment in between. The paper is wet, but is not shiny. On this moment, you can scratch. And the special tool for today is the palette knife. So the thing that we usually use for oil paintings, for acrylics, but today I'm using it for watercolor. It's rather old, used for oils, of course. So for these kind of scratches, this I will be using today. And now I will start scratching to create, yes. So you notice that I didn't start immediately after I applied. So I need several minutes so that the paint comes inside. So holding like this and removing and cleaning after each. Here vertical can be done. So this immediately gives us the illusion of the cliff. A bit darker lines. Some footsteps to create textures.